So Italy is locking down more regions as hospitals struggle to contain the spread of the coronavirus there. Hard-hit areas are taking the extra precaution as the country approaches 1 million total cases. CBS News foreign correspondent Chris Livesay is in Rome with the latest.
Life-saving breaths of air, but for others, their last.
So this is a patient who just passed away from COVID-19. Just this moment, cioè proprio in questo istante è morto. So just 2 or 3 minutes ago, this patient was alive and now he's passed away.
Unfortunately, it happens, says Dr. Sebastiano Petrarca, more and more often as infections are soaring again across Italy, once the worst hit country at the start of the global pandemic. Italy was the first country in the world to lock down nationally so that this would never have to happen again. But now hospitals like these, their intensive care units, are on the brink of running out of beds. Out of 30 ICU beds, this hospital is down to its last one. Rome's COVID hospitals are saturated, he says. It's unimaginable. And he's afraid their additional COVID floor, rushed to construction, won't be ready in time. A terrifying sign in the capital, Rome, a city that was largely unscathed in the first wave of the virus. But Italians eventually dropped their guard, says Dr. Petrarca, who now fears a second wave worse than the first. I'm worried it's exploding again, like what we saw in Bergamo and Milan. The body count is going to climb, he says. The government is now forced to lock down 5 high-risk red zones. Non-essential businesses closed. Movement outside your hometown forbidden. Crucial measures to contain the spread in Italy, says the Prime Minister. Just as Italy was a warning to the U.S. earlier this year of worse to come, health officials caution this latest wave could be yet another omen of what's ahead.
Piazzas like this one and all around the country are emptying out as new COVID restrictions intensify. But it may be too little, too late. The head of Italy's Higher Health Institute warns that the entire country risks running out of ICU beds within 1 month. Anne-Marie, Vlad,